Can you cash out on Wealthsimple? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a popular online investment platform that offers a variety of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. But can you actually cash out on Wealthsimple? And if so, how do you do it? In this video, I'm going to answer those questions and more. I'll also discuss the pros and cons of cashing out on Wealthsimple. So, if you're considering using Wealthsimple or if you're already a Wealthsimple user, be sure to watch this video to the end. Before we get into the details of cashing out on Wealthsimple, let's take a quick look at what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of investment products and services. It was founded in 2014 and has since grown to become one of the largest online investment platforms in Canada. Wealthsimple offers a number of different investment products, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. You can also use Wealthsimple to create a custom portfolio that is tailored to your individual needs and goals. One of the biggest benefits of using Wealthsimple is that it's very easy to use. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. You can also set up automatic investing, which makes it easy to save money for your future. Now, let's get to the question of whether or not you can cash out on Wealthsimple. The answer is yes, you can. In fact, it's very easy to do. To cash out on Wealthsimple, simply log into your account and click on the withdraw button. You can then enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. The money will be transferred to your bank account within a few days. There are a few things to keep in mind when cashing out on Wealthsimple. There is a minimum withdrawal amount of $50. There is a fee of $10 for each withdrawal. If you withdraw your money within 30 days of opening your account, you will be charged a fee of 1%. Now that you know how to cash out on Wealthsimple, let's discuss the pros and cons of doing so. Pros of cashing out on Wealthsimple. You can get your money back quickly and easily. There are no penalties for cashing out your money. You can use the money for whatever you want. Cons of cashing out on Wealthsimple. You will lose any potential gains that you may have made on your investments. You may be subject to capital gains tax if you sell your investments for a profit. You may have to pay a withdrawal fee. Whether or not you should cash out on Wealthsimple depends on your individual circumstances. If you need the money for an emergency or if you're simply not happy with your investment performance, then it may be a good idea to cash out. However, if you're happy with your investments and you're not planning on needing the money anytime soon, then it may be better to leave your money in Wealthsimple. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about cashing out on Wealthsimple, please leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial advice. And don't forget to check out my other videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.